What's up guys, welcome to the new video. Today I'm gonna show you how you can create cool particles effect in Blender very fast and easy. So, I'm gonna create new project. Select the cube by the left click, G, X and move this cube aside, something right here. We're gonna use this cube later. Shift A on the mesh, I'm gonna add UV sphere. Now, select the UV sphere, go on particle system icon right here on this icon and click this plus. We're gonna adjust the number of particles. I'm gonna add maybe 8,000. Open the render and change from halo to object. And you got this eyedropper icon and select this cube. Now you can adjust the scale roundness right here. And later we're gonna adjust the scale. Now open this force weights, whatever it's called, my English sucks, and turn the gravity down to 0 right here. Yes. Now you can select object rotation, why not? So if I'm gonna click spacebar, we got this effect. Now I already wanna adjust the shot. We're gonna add force fields. I'm gonna show you on 2 force fields what kind of effects you're gonna have. You can of course play around more. So tap 0 to go to the camera, and very quickly, if you are new, go on the view, navigation, walk navigation, right click, assign shortcut, Shift F. And I got Shift F Fuzz ID, you can travel in this 3D space. So 0 to go to the camera and establish the shortcut, you can travel. Now Shift A, on the force fields, I'm gonna add turbulence right here. And go on this icon, right here, 0 mistakes. And we're gonna add maybe for strain something like 40 and the flow something like 10. If I'm gonna click spacebar, I got this effect. Now I'm gonna hide the sphere, so select the sphere, I forgot about that, 0 mistakes. And go on this icon, and on this viewport display, just unselect show emitter. This is what kind of effect we got, looking pretty nice. Now we're gonna slow a little bit this animation, so go on this icon, right here, and you got this time stretching. And on the Alt, I'm gonna add 50. It's gonna slow the animation like double times. You got the idea, it's slower. Now, if I'm gonna go on the render view, this is how it looks. We're gonna adjust the scale of this, of those particles, don't worry. Go on this icon and just turn the strength down right here on this world, yes, settings. And we're gonna add some animation, so select the cube, go on the materials icon, and we're gonna change from principled BSDF to animation. And you can of course scrub this a little bit up if you want, something like maybe 3, 4, and change the color. If I'm gonna click spacebar, we got this effect. Now I'm gonna select right here the sphere, yes, and go on this icon, and I can of course adjust the scale of on this render right here. Open the render, yes, and you got scale roundness. I can just scrub this up, or maybe just put this down, and you got this kind of effect of those particles. Of course you can add more particles, yes, something like maybe 40,000. So this is one kind of wait guys, 1-0, I not have 0 mistakes. One kind of scenario, yes, how you can create this kind of animation. I'm gonna show you on different force fields. So I'm gonna select my turbulence and delay this very fast and easy, yes, by selecting an X and delay. You got right here turbulence, just select by left click X and delay. Now Shift A, on the force field, I'm gonna add, maybe I'm gonna add vertex right here. And on this icon, you can adjust the strength once again. I'm gonna crop this a little bit up. And I got different effects, yes, on my particles. So using the force fields, you basically create different, as you can see, effects. So you just play around on the values. I'm just improvising, guys. And what's cool about this like vortex effect, I'm gonna just turn the value down. You can just animate the position and particle is gonna follow. So I'm gonna show you very fast. I'm gonna select my vertex right here, go on this icon, and I'm gonna just adjust the strength and the inflow. Yeah, something like that. And particle is gonna follow if I'm gonna animate the position of the vertex. So select the vertex, go on the first frame, I, and choose location keyframe. I can select maybe frame 50 and G X, move this a little bit, and I, and once again location keyframe, and once again I can move on the timeline on the frame 100 and GX, move this maybe right here, and once again I, and add location keyframe, guys. So look at that, particles just follow. Here's my force field. So you can create interesting kind of particles effect in Blender very fast and easy. Of course, you can add different force field, guys. I can just select maybe the Shift A. I'm gonna show you on the force, why not? And I can just do the minus right here, yes. And I got the minus value, something like -7. I got purple kind of effect, yes, on my particles. Or if you're gonna grab this on the positive, the particles just go outside the force. You get the idea, guys, my English. So yeah, play around, guys, on those force fields, on those particles. Just add one object particle system, play around on the number of particles, add some object, cube, whatever, ammunition, and you can create some cool effects in Blender. Subscribe if you like this content. I re-record this tutorial because on the previous tutorials, the audio sucked my balls because I was recording this on my uncle's apartment and he got shitty microphone. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Of course, subscribe. I upload every day video if you are new. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.